Hi there, it's Ashley from Preston, Baker and Selby, just bringing you out to a brand new property coming to the market, 1 George Terrace, situated on the edge of Barlby, close to the A19, so easy access to York, only a few minutes drive just straight into the town centre. Good feature of this property coming into the front door now is a nice spacious front garden, offers quite enclosed around this side as well with a nice long pathway leading up to the back garden. Right, let's take a look inside and see what it's got to offer. This is one of the large rooms of the house then, so it's the open planned lounge diner area. Massive space here for families, brilliant space for dining table here as well. So coming into the other side now of the lounge diner is the lounge side. Beautifully renovated, carpeted throughout. Lovely views outside of a lovely cul-de-sac area in Barlby. One of the nice features of this part of the lounge is the electric fireplace. So the kitchen here, again like the rest of the downstairs, is beautifully renovated throughout with wooden tops, nice cupboards. It's got beautiful electric oven and hob and even access to the back garden. One of the good features then from downstairs is it's got a modern downstairs toilet. Now we've seen downstairs, let's go upstairs and see what that has to offer as well. So just like downstairs, beautiful carpet all the way up the stairs, up onto this wide landing as well. Let's have a look in the bathroom. So we're in the bathroom now, as you can see, very modern, very up to date as well. Electric shower and a towel rail over there as well. So this is the large master bedroom then of the property. Comes with lovely carpeted throughout, nice curtains, and also a lovely view from the big windows looking out to the front of the property. So the second bedroom then of the 3-bedroom property that we're looking at today comes with obviously nice view out of here, looking into your back garden. One of the best features of this bedroom is the built-in wardrobes. So this is a smaller bedroom then of the 3. Brilliant decor in here, good window looking out onto the street. This room could be perfect for a single bed, small child, or even an office space. To the rear of the property then is the garden. Fenced all the way around, nice and enclosed, and beautiful space, easy to maintain, good for a young family or children. The fantastic thing about this property, being on the corner plot, it gives you a huge opportunity to extend the property to the side. Another feature of this property, alongside with this detached single garage, is the amount of off-street parking it has to offer, with at least 3 parking spaces for cars.